Good morning, children. Today's topic is parallel lines. First of all, we should know what are the parallel lines. Two or more lines are said to be parallel if they do not intersect even produced infinitely. Means हम उन्हें कहीं तक भी प्रोड्यूस करें तो वो कभी भी एक दूसरे से इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेंगे. सपोज हमारे पास दो लाइन्स हैं L and M. Then if we want to write L parallel to M, this is the way to write L parallel to M. Okay, transversal, a line which intersects two or more parallel lines at distinct points. ऐसी लाइन जो दो से ज़्यादा पैरेलल लाइंस को डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स पे इंटरसेक्ट करती है, दैट इज सेड टू बी ट्रांसवर्सल. इसमें L इज पैरेलल टू M एंड दिस T इज ट्रांसवर्सल. नाउ I'm coming to a very important topic, properties of parallel lines. Now first property, corresponding angles are equal. Now you can see these are parallel lines L and M. Angle 1 is corresponding to angle 2. Angle 3 and angle 4 are corresponding angles. Angle 5 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. Angle 7 and angle 8 are corresponding angles. So pair wise they are equal, means angle 1 is equals to angle 2, angle 3 is equals to angle 4, angle 5 is equals to angle 6 and angle 7 is equals to angle 8. So first property which is very important, corresponding angles are equal. Second is alternate interior angles are equal. See, these are two parallel lines again. Alternate interior angles 1 and 2 are alternate interior angles. The angles on which I put same symbol, they are equal, and angle 3 and angle 4 are alternate interior angles, so they are equal. Angle 1 is equals to angle 2 and angle 3 is equals to angle 4. So we can say alternate interior angles are equal. Third and most important property is consecutive interior angles, or in short we can write co-interior. So co-interior angles or interior angles on the same side of a transversal are supplementary. What does it mean? Interior angles on the same side of a transversal means 1 and 2. These are interior angles on the same side of transversal. They are supplementary, means angle 1 plus 2 is equals to 180 degree, and 3 and 4 are again consecutive interior angles or interior angles on the same side of a transversal. So angle 3 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degree. These all are properties of parallel lines. Now I am going to discuss some properties of parallel lines which are vice versa of the properties which I just discussed. I am just reading out these. First is, if a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles is equal, then two lines are parallel to each other. पहले हमने डिस्कस किया था कि corresponding angles equal होते हैं. अब हम कर रहे हैं कि अगर corresponding angles equal हैं तो lines will be parallel. So you need to know these properties also. Next is, it is about alternate interior angles. If a transversal intersect two or more parallel lines, then Next, 6.4. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of a transversal is supplementary. 6.5. If a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of interior angles on the same side of a transversal is supplementary, the lines are parallel. और ऐसे ही alternate interior angles के लिए भी है. Theorem 6.3. If a transversal intersect two lines such that the pair of alternate interior angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel. कहने का मतलब कि अगर corresponding angles equal होते हैं तो lines parallel होती हैं, और अगर lines parallel हैं तो corresponding angles equal होंगे. Same is with the alternate interior angles. If alternate interior angles are equal, then lines are parallel. If lines are parallel, then alternate interior angles are equal. And the third one, if consecutive interior angles are equal, then the lines will be parallel. If lines are consecutive interior angles are supplementary. If the lines are parallel, then the consecutive interior angles are supplementary, and vice versa. So this is all about properties of parallel lines. You just understand the properties and try to solve exercise 6.2.